It's Patrick at Pals. Well, today, Jack is doing a 1964 Autolight carburetor that goes on a 352 engine. This is a 1 year only carburetor. Now, Jack, what makes this a 4-barrel carburetor? Why is it a 4-barrel?
4 barrels.
So you got 4 barrels going down right there. A 2-barrel would only have one half of that equation. Okay. And you've got the top off of the carburetor. The top of the carburetor is sitting over here. And the carburetor is sitting on is actually a 2-barrel. But you're putting all of your parts and pieces in order. Getting everything ready to go back in to the carburetor.
Sir.
And you're renewing it all. 1 year carburetors require special parts. You can't order a generic kit. We went online, matched the numbers up exactly, and the company that we got the kit from had the exact parts. Everything will fit just like it did in 1964. If you've got a 4-barrel Autolight carburetor, bring it to Pals. See you soon.